Hey guys, TerrorPUP here, and I am at my office desk, and I'm using my Tonor mic, so if the sound quality is not that great, let me know. I do have the noise filter on because I am sitting near my servers, but reason I'm here is I have been, you know, reviewing Um, Proxmox again on the Orange Pi. Um, it's really weird. I have a screenshot. There you go. That shows that I did have Proxmox working. Okay. Um, with the ISOs, but for some odd reason, it's no longer working like it was before. I'm getting frustrated. I do have it using um, UEFI, but I do have some success. We're gonna do this real quick. We're gonna go through this to prove that this is the Orange Pi. There you go, Orange Pi 5 Plus, and this is uh now this is the weird thing. This is the 32 gig. Okay, um, I'm not sure why it's not showing it. I'm not. There's a an error or something, or maybe no. I stand corrected. This is the 16 gig, okay? So, because the 32 gig is my desktop, and it didn't have the wireless. The wireless was in the 16 gig, but still, that's good for a small little ARM board to run Vert. So anyway, it's up to date, okay? We are using a 1 terabyte NVMe. So just to show you guys, this is what Proxmox cut out, and this right here is the rest of the drive. Okay, so I'm pretty excited about that because like I said, I've been really wanting to get this up and running. Now, so again, let me show you what's going on with Vert. So let's go into this real quick. So hardware wise, I'm only using 2 gigs for 4 cores. There's my BIOS. Okay. Display and everything's default. And we are trying to boot up a ARM disk. Okay. If I try to use the Red Hat one again, it's not working. And I'm using Cal. I think that's what I'm supposed to use by default. But anyway, so and this right now, I made sure that this SCSI 2 is my CD drive, and the SCSI 0 is the hard drive and network. Now, what we could do, let's just do this real quick and try to create a new one. Try some different ones. We're going to create one called from Debian just to see if it comes up. It's like I said, I wish I had a screenshot of what I did earlier, okay? So OS, I'm going to go ahead and go to local storage. I'm going to go ahead and select my Debian one. Okay. We're going to go to the system. We're going to select UFI, and we'll select that. The machine type. None of this is really going to matter. Okay. Now it wants to write to a particular drive, so we'll tell it. That's what I was told, but we'll see. We'll go ahead and use there. Okay. And then we'll go to next. Okay. And we're going to switch this to local again. Again, I'm going to just change it to SATA just to see if I can get it to boot up a little bit better. You can't do that for here. It really does only want to use the SSI, so that, or sorry, the SCSI. I don't know why I said SSI. By the way, SSI for us old folks was a great company. Made strategic war games, but I digress. So anyway, back over here, we'll put it on SATA, and I'll create a 100 gig hard drive. The default is cow, okay? You know, and I could do a raw, but we're just gonna leave it at QCal 2. We're gonna hit next, and I'm gonna go ahead and give it 4 cores, okay? Memory, we'll just leave it at 2 gigs. Network, we'll leave it at what it has, and then we'll hit confirm, okay? And we'll say go ahead and start after we hit finish. Now over here, you'll see that it is creating the new vert, okay? And if you click over here, this is where I'm stuck, and it does not move any further. And I guess I could play around with it, but it's just so irritating. But I have success, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and tell this, we'll just leave it. It's not gonna come up, and the weird thing is it's pegging the CPUs, okay? Memory's low, and it says it's running, but it's not doing anything, okay? Again, really frustrating, okay? Because I really wish it was doing something. Normally, on my other, like my libvirt-D, I would get this like booting option with the UFFI. I'm not even getting that, so there's something weird there. If you know what I'm doing wrong, please leave a comment. Please leave a link. I will go look at it because I really want to get this up. But anyway, let me show you what I am having success with. So we're going to click back up here, and we are going to create a container, an an LXC. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and give it a password. Okay, and passwords are not matching. That's why it doesn't let me do the next. So let's go ahead. Oh, host name. So we'll call this one just worms. But let me go fix my password too. Okay. And then I'm gonna go ahead. We'll try writing it to the NAS. Or no, NAS 2 does have some stuff. Now look, these are AMD images. That's not gonna work. This is an ARM process, so we're not gonna use the templates on NAS. So we're gonna go to storage 2 because I know I have ARM ones. So I'm gonna try to launch the Fedora one. I know the Debian one works. That's the one up here called Dirtworm. Okay. And we're going to hit next. And we'll give it a nice little hard drive. We'll give it 50 gigs. That's, you know, probably a lot for a container, but we'll go ahead and do next. And then we'll go ahead and give it 4 cores. Okay. We'll hit next. And I'm going to go ahead and give it 4 gigs of memory. All right. Now, here's the trick. If you try to tell it to use DHCP and you try to use a static, it's going to error out. It's going to give you this weird message that such and such .temp file under etc slash networking slash such and such .temp file does not exist. Now, I did find on the forums, okay, that oh, that's mine, where they said to do this. So we're going to go ahead and I'll show it to you here in a second. So we're going to hit next. I'm going to leave DNS for now empty, and we're going to hit confirm. All right, it's setting it up. Okay. And, oh, because we're using NAS2. So let me, for some reason, it's having permissions failing there. So let's hit cancel. Let's do it again real quick. Create container. And I'll just call it Fedora. And, okay. Storage. Again, where the templates are, we'll pick Fedora. And I did not select it there. We'll hit local there. And again, we'll give it 50 gigs. Okay. Hit next. Give it 4. And I know I'm probably giving a container way too much memory, but I just want to, you know what? Yeah, let's drop it down to 2 terabytes. Or not 2 terabytes. 2 gigabytes. It's been a long week, so we'll hit next. Again, leave this as it is. Leave this as it is. And we're going to hit start after create, and we'll hit this. It's extracting the template. Okay. And you can tell that it's working because this little lock on the container that is really, you know, it's kind of grayed out up there. That indicates that it's working behind it. So look, task is okay. So I'm going to hit my X over here. And we're going to go over here now. Look at that. Now, here's something interesting. So, one second, I'm going to find. Okay, that's a different Proxmox server. So let's go look. You know what? Hold on. I got a lot of pages up and running, so we'll close that. And I believe yeah, here's the article. Okay. And I will leave this in the link. So the one thing we're going to do real quick is we're going to do DH client inside the vert. Oh, that's not good. Okay. Yeah, I got to figure it out with Fedora. So let me go over here to my my Debian one. Okay, because the example I was trying to show you, and again I have the wrong page up, so I'm going to close this one out. So what happens when you have a lot of stuff? So the yeah, the bug. So they're using this on Ubuntu. So Debian's the same. Okay, so you get it started. You'll do DHC client, and when you do that, you'll do you'll get an IP. Okay. Now the weird thing is I got 2 IPs, and I think I know why. There's I think Conman's running. Nope. Nope. But for some odd reason it's got 2 IPs. Not sure why. It's interesting. I'll try to fix it. But look, it's up. So again, going back to this article, okay? So you'll do DH client. It brings it back up inside the Linux shell. You do the app update, app upgrade, and then you install if up down, okay? Then you go into here on your networking. You'll click on your device, hit edit, and then you'll change it to DHCP, okay? And they said to set this to LA IP. I'm going to change it real quick just to see if I can not get IPv6. So we'll go back in, we'll reboot it. Okay. Let's reboot it. Okay. Then once you do the steps there, okay, then you reboot the container, you log into this shell, okay. And there you go. I have IPs and I can ping out. Ping Google real quick. So I do have something up and running with Proxmox on the Orange Pi 5. Okay, and just to show you guys, let's go here real quick. Okay, if we go to our containers, okay, actually templates, and we hit download templates, and we do a sort by packages. Okay, as long as okay, these are all these turnkey ones. I don't think they're. I think these are all AMD 64. They're not going to work. Okay. Same with these. These are AMD 64. Okay, we can't use those. We have to select from up here. So there's the ARM one. We know it works. So you come up here, you'll select your version that you want. Okay. So if I wanted to run Ubuntu, I can go ahead and we'll click that, and then I hit download. It'll download it, and again, I'm writing to locally. I do have NAS storage up and running, but for some odd reason, it's, as you saw, it was giving me errors. Okay, but you do that. It takes a few seconds for it to download. Okay, and once the task is done, like it says task okay, come up here, hit close, and look, now I have 3 templates that I can deploy. I do now. Again, what's so frustrating, and I'm sorry I kind of jump over places. I do have the screenshot. I was using this 8.9 version. It was working. I have other, like you guys have seen my, here, hold on. This is the approval point, okay? This is not an Orange Pi, okay? This is a, what is this? Hold on, we'll log in, we'll see what it says. And yes, I'm sorry, the type of the display's tiny. That's RxTP. Okay. Okay, this is an Orange Pi. This is one of my CM4s, okay? And just to prove it, Okay, I'm running Bullseye. I'm running it on an Orange Pi. Um, it is okay. It's their Debian version, but okay. Let's go over here. Oh, no. All right. Having slow responses, so see that? Rail 9, it's running. Okay. And it disappeared. What the? Okay. It is running. Okay. Here's another way I can show you. So we're going to come over here and we're going to log in to one of the other CM4s. This is in my Super 6, so I'll put the video link above here. But this is in the Super 6. And, all right, what's going on? Am I not connected? No, I am connected. Oh, there we go. A little bit of a delay, okay? And then we'll log into... It's really... Okay, this is starting to tick me off a little bit. I'm not sure why the delay. Okay, come on. Try it again. See, orange pot. And if I do, let's make the text a little bit bigger for you guys. And if I do avert sh list, okay, that is weird because that should be running. Say it's running. Okay, we'll log into it over here. Nope, that's the, here it is. That user does not exist on there, so let me do this. And we'll do uname -a. See? That's the arm. Now, this to prove to you that this is running on this, CM4, okay, because for some reason it's not showing up with the virtual list. We're going to do a halt P and it will shut down. Okay. There we go. See, it shut down. But for maybe it's cute. Let's check over here. We'll just run htop. So I'm going to start it again. Okay. So if I come over here, and just to show you guys how it's set up. Might be heat. I turned my fan off so I can record for you guys. So All right, so see, this is 64. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and start it up. Oh, you know why? Hold on. I wasn't root, and my TerrorPUP is not a member of Virtual Disk, so it should show up now. Again, sorry guys, but there it is. And that's running on a CM4 that has 8 gigs of memory. Okay, and I'm using a 1 terabyte, no, 500 terabyte NVMe to run it. And it's running graphical. If I come over here, see, the graphics are working. And that's a vert. So the Proxmox one, getting back to it, there is something weird over here. But I will take running containers for right now on this so that I can show it. All right, that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for your patience if you made it all the way to the end. Please give me a like on this video. Subscribe if you want more content. If you ever wonder why you do not see me in a lot of my videos, I want to focus on the topic and not be a talking head. So you will more likely see more videos where I'm recording the desktop and or images and things like that, because I really want you guys to focus on the technology and not me. So until next time, this is TerrorPUP wishing you guys peace.